Hello guys, today we will explain MMTLP stock on news, and there is no chart that we can explain because it has been removed from chart and it's still right now have the problem. So we will explain the news that is still right now in investigation on show MMTLP stock begins by a former CEO. Market marketers are beginning looking for it for perhaps selling shares without authorization. The former CEO of Rocklight Energy is looking into what transpired after Metamaterials MMAT acquired the business. The preferred shares that Meta used to push to Light were split off and invested in a new business named NextBridge. Some Light stockholders think that allowed full shares of NextBridge hydrocarbons were sold via market makers and broke transactions, while 5 stocks that may increase by threefold or more in upcoming months. A shareholders group has been established by Sean Barda, the former CEO of an oil and gas business that merged with Metamaterials, the stock MMAT, in 2021 to look into possible market manipulation by market markers, broker, broker traders, and other unspecified third parties. In the previous years, the value of MMAT shares decreased by over half, with a market value of less than 375 million. Metamaterials, which claimed to be developing next generation metamaterials for use in communications and aerospace, so its shares trade at under 1 USD each on January 19. The project total income for 2022 is 11 million. Important note, when it reached a peak of about 20 USD per share in 1 and 2021, Metamaterials temporarily become a mini stock. According to Meta, it has revived orders from undisclosed central bank to employ orbitic and optical substance that produces third effects on a 12-second 2D plan to detect counterfeiters. This month at CES, this business displayed what it claimed to be novel materials for electric vehicles and batteries. Torchlight Energy Resources, which merged with Metamaterials in 2021, has Perda as its CEO. Shareholders of Torchlight at the time revived okay, preferred shares with briefly traded under the ticker MMTLP. Torchlight claimed to have discovered oil close to EL basin during the last 10 years, but once the COVID-19 epidemic struck, it decided to merge with the corporation in exchange for a 25% ownership in the new company. At the time Metamaterials started, that it generated 1.6 million in organic revenue annually. Last month, the business decided to spin off its NextBridge hydrocarbons division, changing the preferred shares into NextBridge ordinary stock, and as a result, trading in MMTLB was discontinued. According to his Twitter, for the intends to look into any embroider sales of NextBridge shares by market makers, broker dealers, and other parties. The probe will also pay particular attention to how MMTLB preferred stock was initially listed on over-the-counter marketplaces. Thank you guys. Hope you benefit from this video.